Hi friends, welcome to sushmafeedfantasy. Today I'm preparing Tamato Ka Salan. So let's start now. Take 2 tablespoon peanuts and roast nicely. Keep it aside. And take 2 tablespoon coriander seeds and some spices. Roast it. And take 1 tablespoon coconut and bay leaf. Roast it. Roast it for 1 minute and keep it aside. Take poppy seeds for 1 tablespoon poppy seeds. Roast it. Keep it aside. Take some dry fruits, cashew and almond. Mix it nicely. Add some 1 tablespoon roasted sesame seeds. Add water and make fine paste. Add some oil, 1 cup oil. Add some spices. Then add onions. After 2 minutes, add some salt. Then add some red chilli powder, coriander powder, turmeric, ginger garlic paste, a little bit garam masala. Mix it nicely. After 2 minutes, I'm adding masala paste. Mix it. Close the lid for 10 minutes. We're gonna cut tomatoes. Small slice. It has to be like this. Don't cut fully. After 10 minutes, we're gonna add tomatoes. Squeeze the tomatoes and add it. We're gonna close the lid for 15 minutes. Then add water little bit. After 10 minutes, it has to be like this. Then add coriander. That's it. Tomato masala is ready. You can eat with rice. So delicious. If you like my video, please like, share, comment. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.